Welcome back to another Sicko's video. I'm gonna introduce what Altura Nfts is, how to mint one, how to update NFT properties. So Altura is like the Ethereum of NFTs. Where Bitcoin was so static, Ethereum came along and made it programmable. Well, Altura is doing that with NFTs, making them smart. Well, smart not in a sense, pretty dumb. All they do is update, like dumb contracts, right? I'm getting too particulars. Anyway, let me show you how to do it and why you should do it because it comes in use case. NFTs in their current nature are pretty just stagnant in their nature, and you might want to update the properties later on. It works very best in gaming situation where you want the sword to upgrade, what might even then produce better value within the sword on this given properties. So I think this is really cool. This is pretty cool stuff. So let's simply do it. They pretty much handle all the back end for you. All you simply have to do is just get the image you want to do. I'm using Charizard, particular example. Oh, all right, let me make it smart. Because smart NFTs have the ability to update, and we want the stats to be that way. It's called item name Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. Okay, you want to be stackable. Where could that be? With a max supply to be 10, I kind of want some of my crypto DJ friends to participate as well. I'm gonna use this. Actually, I'm gonna use mine. Can I accidentally create this? Guys, do not. I'm sorry. And we want it to have certain properties, and we have a list here of what properties that we want it to have. And it's a total of 5 properties. Where are these 5 properties? Well, let me zoom this out because we want to do it right here. We want it to have a name. The name property. And the name property is Charmander Evolution 1. Oh snap! I was minute it. Sorry. Notice that don't hit this. If you hit this, you will make the property static, and we don't want that in our particular example. We want to be able to evolve these properties. We want to have a height of 2. We want to have a weight of 18.7 pounds. It's pretty nice small body, to be honest. And we want the category to be a lizard. I didn't know his category changed as he evolved, by the way. That was new to me. And we want his abilities to be blaze, which is actually static in our particular example because it doesn't update, right? Now, if you have all this done, you're able to mint your NFT. They handle most of the back end for you, so yours should be kind of great. Just make sure I'm using the correct. Yeah. And all you gotta simply do is wait for the transaction to be mined and updated onto the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. That's a tongue twister for you. Binance Smart Chain blockchain. So now that is updated. You go to verify only. You see, I have a couple. I have a couple in here. But we're worried about this one right here. Okay. I was gonna start getting the lag and bugging, so let's not do that. But now we just want to simply update this stuff. Excuse me. That's an error I want to mention out to the developers team. I guess I'm making a version 2 as I noticed, but when you do hit on to the go to the item and or to the properties, it spams wallet connections for some odd reason, but that's not neither here nor there. But anyways, let's update the properties of the blockchain. So let's go to our VS Code code editor. Let's go into boom right here. Let's go into our the docs, which pretty much tell you how to do everything. But what you're going to want to do is installation. You want to get the SDK, and you want to copy and paste. Boom. You're like, why am I in an Express server right now? Well, in my particular example, and I had a problem I was running into, I had to set up a proxy server because I was getting a course error while trying to connect to the API, so I had to do a workaround. You might not have to do this, but in just case you do have to do this, set up a proxy server in order to do so, right? But I'll be showing you how to do that. We just set up a server to JS, go to package.json, set the localhost where you want your proxy host it, and do your simple API get. I think web developer dude on YouTube, he can showcase this for you guys. You'd be great. All right, once you have it installed, you want to copy and paste this, which I have here already for y'all guys. Boom, boom, boom. Like, what is the API key? Where do you get it from? Well, the API does get the opportunity to go to Altura Develop Portal. Click on this, which I already updated, but click on this, you get the API key right here. You copy it, put that in. Your private key, copy this, and you go to your wallet, MetaMask, you go to click on the circle guy, import, you copy and paste API. The private key will import the wallet address. You do need to use their wallet address to use, in my knowledge, to manipulate these right here. So I highly recommend that to do that, so you be good. And now we simply just want to make a fetch call to our API. Which, how do you do that? Well, this is how you do that. So when you console log Altura, which is with the API key, it's gonna lock out a bunch of objects, right? Little objects, right? And with the objects, it's gonna have API call and you have this base URL. You want to get access to URL, but you want to get access to your particular dude, which is how you do that. You have the concat user / wallet address, which gets access to your dude. You put that in your app.get. You refresh the page, where it's not gonna load nothing. Server running. Do node.server JS. There you go, and boom, you're all set up. But now let's update the item properties. How do you get access to an item? First, you probably want to know how to do that. Well, let's get access to the user's items. How do you do that? You gotta get access to user. How do you get access to user? It's right here. Well, copy and get user. Take the wallet address right here. Paste. Get one item. Copy. Oh, we don't know that yet. Well, let's just console.log Altura user. Boom. Refresh the Node.js server. Reload. Boom, we got the user, but that doesn't really help us, right? We want to get access to the user items. And you do that by doing this. To get items, not get user. Await Altura user get items. Boom. You want the CD, run the Node.js server again, refresh. You see, here's all the items that this particular user has. But for our example, we want to get access to Pokemon Gotta Catch Them All, right? It shows us in the documentation how to get access to that item, which is this right here. But we will be putting this in our evolve function because we want to evolve this, right? So let's create a asynchronous function. We can do it old way, we do the new way. Let's do the old way. Evolve Pokemon. It's taking a name parameter as a parameter because we want to change the name to evolution 2, right? That's pretty cool. So async, boom. Why is it doing that? Oh, that's why it's doing it. Function. Sometimes you just have those little errors. So const Altura item is Altura get item collection ID. How we know the actually paste it right. Get it from right here. Oop. Boom. Put it in a string because it needs a string. Token ID is 3. Boom, like that. Like that. After we get token ID, we should be okay, brother. Alright. Cool. Now we get access to that, but I do want to show just real quick. I want to show you what happens when you get this item, right? I want to console log it. Ooh. Boom. I'm going to show you what happens. What do y'all see? Clear. And right now, I want y'all to really take a look at it. The image index is here is at 0, but it's image count of 3. So we want to update that, and we want to change that as well. And we want to change everything, the name to something else. We want to change the height, the weight, category, the abilities you can't change because it's static. It says true. It won't let you, right? So let's get straight into updating these items in our thing. So let's do it. Boom. You don't need that here in that particular example. Let's do it. So how do you update an item in Altura? Very simple. So const update height. You want to update the height. Okay, remember update the height, weight, name, category, and image. Those are the things we want to update. How do we do that? It's simple. It's called update property. So update height equal to weight. Alter the item dot update property height will be updated to. Well, that's why we have this bad boy right here that tells us what we wanted to change it to. We want to change it to 307. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to change the update weight. Let's update category. And update. Yeah, we don't need a name. Yeah, name. What should be at top actually. Then const update image, which is slightly different. It's a weight Altura item dot update primary image, which we can do that right now. It's gonna be 2. So we want to change the image of it, right? We need to change the name. Probably needs to be exact. So weight category and name is capital N name, and the name is going to take a name. Right, that's the only thing that pretty much changes. Right, I could make it more dynamic. Kind of 5. I feel like I just realized how to make it more dynamic, so you wouldn't have to take this in. But we will get the job done at this particular moment. We want it to be 41.9 pounds. As you see, it says it has this under it, so don't forget to add the pounds section. And we want this category to be, why is the category to be flame, from lizard to flame. Awesome. And we should be very good, but let's console.log. Bless you, thank you, I apologize. Console.log Altura item. And let's call it evolve Pokemon name evolution 2. Right? Then it's boop boop boop. There's no server JS. Let's refresh. Boom. It didn't update. As you tell, it's still the same. Why is it the same? Let's try again. Sometimes it takes time. So refresh. There you go. Update image index 2. If you go to the name and name evolution 2. Why I'm supposed to put char. I was supposed to put Charmeleon. I do apologize. Height is updated. Weight is updated. Category is updated. You can't update it, so it doesn't matter. The image is updated. We have now just updated image. It's very simple, very easy, very fun, very awesome. I'm not gonna lie, very cool. I think anyone should be more interested in Altura. I'm like, it's pretty cool to me. But here's one of the issues I do want to mention out. When I do go into my marketplace, I do connect. I changed it. Y'all saw me change this. But oh, it works. But I'm at the wrong index, right? It updated. As you can tell, it's at Evolution 2. I've done the wrong stuff, but I'm actually very excited right now because before it wasn't working and now it works. So this is pretty cool. But this does keep happening. I don't know why that does that. So my joint crashes. Well, that is how you create your smart NFT. Very straightforward process. Very straight to the point. Very excited. I look forward to be part of your team. I love this stuff, so I look forward to be part of your team and following you a while since Alex Becker mentioned to the best of y'all. Actually, I'm not sure, you probably know he pumped your bags, but that is it. That's how you do it. Thank you.